What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick review of Dreame T10 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. So we are going to talk about its design, build quality, features, performance and all of its pros and cons, along with some discount offers and coupons to buy the product. So here we go. So first of all, let's just start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box you will find the primary vacuum block with nearly 0.7 liter tank, the primary multi-brush bar, a mini electric brush and a crevice nozzle, a wall bracket, removable batteries, extension tube, user's manual, a charger and a 2-in-1 nozzle. Talking about the design and build quality, the main unit of Dreame T10 looks like a laser gun from an old sci-fi movie. The build quality is nice. The material used is also pretty solid and the tank is removable and you can open its flap by just pressing a button. You can also separate the filter block for easy cleaning and the filter at the back of the tank can also be removed. Dreame T10 is pretty lightweight, so you can easily use it without facing any issue. Dreame T10 comes with lots of different accessories and each of them performs a particular task. For example, you can use the multi-brush bar for vacuuming on the carpets, tiles and floors. You can use the mini electric brush to clean the dirt, pet hair, etc. from sofas, bed, chairs and other fabric surfaces. The 2-in-1 brush provided can be used for vacuuming the keyboards, curtains, ceilings, interior of your vehicle, coffee machines, etc. And you can use the crevice nozzle for hard to reach areas like vacuuming the cracks, corners of the doors, windows, stairs and other places. And then you got the flexible extension hose that helps in cleaning even harder to reach corners like interior parts of vehicles, bottoms of the bed and sofas, etc. The main brush also comes with small wheels that helps in moving the Dreame T10 on the floor. Using the Dreame T10 is very easy, as to turn it on or off all you need to do is press the trigger. There are two physical buttons provided, one of them to select the suction level and another one you can use to lock the trigger. So if you want to use the Dreame T10 for longer session, then you won't have to keep pressing the trigger to use it. Talking about the performance, the rated power for Dreame T10 is 400 watt and it comes with up to 20,000 Pascal suction pressure. So the suction is quite powerful and the Dreame T10 is powerful enough to clean the carpets without facing any issue. It goes deep into the dust to properly vacuum the carpet and cleans it perfectly. Talking about the noise level, you will get from 75 to 90 decibel depending on the suction level you are using. Talking about the battery life, this is something I would prefer to be better on Dreame T10 because on eco mode it can provide nearly an hour of runtime, but if you switch to medium mode or turbo then the battery goes down very quickly. The battery is removable. The battery capacity is 2500 mAh and it takes a bit more than 3 hours in charging it from 0% to 100%. And it can be charged directly on the device or separately on the wall mount. Overall, Dreame T10 is a pretty solid entry-level cordless vacuum cleaner considering its design, features and performance. Compared to its competition, it is very lightweight, easy to handle, provide good cleaning, especially on the mat and carpets. Now talking about the discount offer, Dreame is providing a 15% off promotional discount between April 10th to April 17th in 2022. So instead of the regular price of $259, now you can get the Dreame T10 at 15% discount. And this offer is available for other Dreame vacuum cleaners as well. The link is given in the description of this video, so if you are interested, you can just click the link and get your Dreame T10 cordless stick vacuum. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.